Today, I'm making felted dryer balls. Some assembly required. Hello! This is a great project for Earth Day, which was last week. You know what? Close enough. It's always time for more sustainability. The theory behind dryer balls is that as they're bouncing around in your laundry, they're kind of fluffing everything up so that nice warm air can reach everything a little more quickly and a little more efficiently, which reduces dry time, wind, and also static. Wool dryer balls are great because they're natural and you can make them yourself. Let's try. I sketched out some ideas. They're not amazing, but they'll get me started. Now I've gotten into my stash of mill waste, and I may regret it because it's kind of fuzzy, but this will be the center of my dryer balls. Some people recommend tying your core wool in a knot for a little bit more density in the middle. Well, this isn't a great knot, but then I'll just needle felt around the ball so the fiber stays put. Another way to start the core of these is to just pick an edge of your wool and fold and roll until it's round, and then tack it all down. All right, let me try the knot again. This wool gives me a little bit more length to work with. Better, and I'll just felt the rest down. Now it's time to make them pretty. I'm planning to needle felt the basic designs and then wet felt them all together so they're a little bit more solid. This one is supposed to be the earth, so I'll start with a few layers of blue to build up the size and shape. Then some different shades of blue for depth, and green for the land. The continents are not going to be perfect because they'll probably move around when I wet felt them anyway. This next one is meant to look like a flower bud, but I'm not sure it does. I'll put some little leaves at the bottom. This guy is what I think dryer balls feel like. I thought it might be cool to make a white base with rainbow roving wrapped around. Look at all the colors! Now, will all of these colors blend together when I wet felt it? Maybe? Stay tuned. Then I wanted to try something similar, but with all different shades of one color. And one more smiley face. With a kind suggestion on the back. Here they are after the needle felting stage. Okay, I'm all set up for wet felting. I'll just use hot water, dish soap, and plenty of squishing to try to felt these guys a little tighter. Wet it, soap it, squish it a lot, and rinse it. He seems pretty happy about his shower. There, they've all been wet felted. He still looks happy. I'm going to give them a little haircut to reduce the fuzz before I toss them in the dryer for the last round of firming. The dryer's all ready for you guys. Hop in. They appear to have mixed feelings. Oh, they're really excited to get out. Well, he's definitely firmer and still happy. Hop back in there. It's time to get to work. Let's throw in a load of towels and see what happens. Do they seem extra fluffy? I don't know, but they're dry. And this guy had fun. That wasn't too bad, and I am not amazing at wet felting. So if I can do it, you can totally do it. If I were to change anything, I might wrap the wool around a little bit tighter and just make everything start out a little firmer so they had a little bit more heft and maybe end up a little more solid. But they do seem to work, and they're fun to make. So hey, thanks for watching. If you had fun, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, share. I love all that good stuff. I post new videos every Saturday, so until the next one, be awesome, and I'll see you then. Bye!